So hi everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on putting on makeup on myself. Keep on watching how I do it. So the first step I am going to do is going to put, Mom, will you give me this? So this is also a scent, it's a eyeshadow base that keeps it longer. So it does stay on longer. Because when I tried this, it stayed on super long. Let's put it on my eyeshadow. And the next step, we are going to be putting on MAC pigment on my lid. On my lid. So oh my god, guys, I like it. It kind of looks like sparkles on my eyes that just fell on my eyes that it was raining. So next, we're going to put on nylon under my eyebrow. So next we're gonna put this color under nylon. I know, guys, my nails are so pretty. See it? Oh my god, it looks so pretty. So next I'm going to apply this to my crease. Okay,
So now we're going to take a clean brush and just kind of clean up around the other side.
So now we're going to put on foundation. So I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty. So now I'm going to put on foundation. Now it's going to be Fenty. Wait, what?
Fenty Beauty.
Fenty Beauty.
Fenty Beauty.
Fenty Beauty. Now we're going to put on the blush, and this blush is called MAC. Everything's called MAC that we use. Eyeliner. So now I'm going to be using eyeliner, and it's Sense eyeliner. Now this one you have to be very, very, very careful. So guys, you're gonna want it to let it dry while you're waiting, because that's what we want it to do. Can I open my eye? Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Ready? Now it's time for mascara.
Now, wait, no.
Yes, and then we'll put the false ones.
Why do you have to put mascara first?
Because it makes your eyelashes look better.
So eyelashes first and then the
Mascara
other?
first and then eyelashes. Trust me. I know. Go try.
So next we're gonna put on fake eyelashes. Oh yeah. But I'm kind of scared too. I never wore them. I only wear mascara. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god, I can't believe I survived it. That's the first coat. 2 more. Now time for the moisturizing cloth.
You can do that one.
Yeah. How do you open this up? Reason why you need to use lip sense. Look, see? And all it is a lip gloss that come off. Look, see? And even if we go on stage, anything won't come off. All of it is sense, right, Mom?
Yep.
This is the final look.